Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to delegate tasks to employees with Clickup. So first thing that you will do guys is simply go to one of your list, and now just simply go to your task that you want to give access to, and you can just simply go ahead and click on it. And now let's say I'm gonna go for this step 6. From here you will have assignees. Just simply click on this one over here guys, and now after that, just simply select invite people via email over here, and a pop-up window will show up, and just simply select this search bar over here. Just simply provide the email of the person that you want to give the task to. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and click on invite over here. And when you click on member, you can make this user as a member, limited member, guest, or admin. Or you can just simply go for the full edit over here, which you can give this person a full edit, comment, or view only. So pretty much this will be depending on you, and just simply click on send invite, and after that an email will be sent to that person, and they should be able to work on this task. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.